Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar XE we're going to teach you how to put the car in neutral when, say, your battery is dead and you don't have enough power to put it into neutral. So, like, you need to push your car out of the road or a tow truck, get it on the tow truck. So used to, on older models of cars and a lot of other brands, you have just a little switch and a tab in there. Older Jaguars, you used to be able to reach down in there and there was a little pull tab you would pull up. Now on this one, you would pop the hood. On 2017, 2018, you're going to pop the hood and we're going to go around to the engine bay. I'm going to show you where the lever is to be able to put this car into neutral so that you can be able to move the car if the battery is dead. So with the hood raised up, we're going to need to take this cover off. And we pop that cover off, set it aside, and you'll see this little tab right here about in the middle of the engine. And all you just need to do is you need to pull that straight forward till it hits that lock position, and that will put the vehicle in neutral. And then you'll be able to push the car and get it towed up on the tow truck. Now, if your car is completely dead, the battery is completely dead, and the e-brake is on, you're going to need to provide some power to the car via either the trunk or right through here by hooking your positive here, negative there, and be able to provide power enough that you can release the e-brake. And then you would be able to move your car. So then when you're done, then you just take that locking mechanism and push it back and put your vehicle back in park until you can get it serviced. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.